Today on Heaven's Kitchen, we are turning simple ingredients into a spectacular cheesy chicken dinner. Let's get cooking. Start with 2 large chicken breasts and slice them horizontally to butterfly cut. Place the chicken between sheets of plastic wrap and gently pound them until evenly thin. Season both sides generously with a mix of half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, paprika, and thyme. Next, boil 1 large potato and 1 carrot for about 15 minutes. Grate them both and put them in a mixing bowl and add 75 grams of grated cheddar cheese, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Season with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of coriander and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix it all up very well. Spread the mixture evenly on top of the chicken. Add a generous layer of grated cheddar cheese on top. For extra flavor, drizzle some mayonnaise over the top. This is optional. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, or until the chicken is fully cooked and beautifully golden. Let it rest for a few minutes, then slice and serve. Enjoy this delicious, cheesy, and satisfying chicken recipe. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell for more delicious recipes from Heaven's Kitchen. See you in the next video.